Guys, they issued a high wind watch for my area. They issued a high wind watch for my area. Even a flood watch, but not for my area. They could go off after this message. Yo, high wind watch for our area. Look at that. They canceled the winter weather advisory. See?
Areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. High wind watch in effect from Tuesday evening through late Tuesday.
High wind watch.
What? Southeast winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Where? Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk,
I'm under a high wind watch.
Southwest Suffolk, Southeast Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens, and Nassau County.
Yeah, high wind watch for my area.
From Tuesday evening through late Tuesday night. Impacts. Damaging winds could blow down trees and
High wind watch.
Widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates on this situation. Fasten loose objects or shelter objects in a safe location prior to the onset of winds. High wind watch in effect from Tuesday evening through late Tuesday
Yeah,
night.
guys.
What? South winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Where? In Delaware.